Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to enable browser and trust wallet. So let's get started. At first, let's get into the app. Now we can see browser option over here. That is, the browser is already enabled in trust wallet. To see how to enable it, simply tap on the setting icon and click on preferences. Here we can see the browser and it is already enabled. Simply tap on this, and if you get back, it is no browser option. So to enable this, tap on the settings and preferences and tap browser and enable this. So this is it. Now if you get back, you can see this browser option over here again. So this is all we can do to enable or disable browser in Trust Wallet. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.